will be clear for you. So see here, this router I am using 2811. I need 4 routers, so I will click here. Okay, like this I will take, and don't forget to change this name. Better you write here R1 and R2, so you will be not confused, and here R3, because many guys change router name inside the router, but outside label they forget to change. Later they will confuse themselves. So better change the label also outside. After that, take the cable and connect from here to here. Okay, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, and whatever IP we are planning to use, we can use. Like we can say in between here I can use 192.168.12.0/24. This IP I am going to assign. Means here I will give .1 here, means this IP 192.168.12.1 will be for this interface, and here for this interface will be 12.2. And this side what I will do, I will write here 192.168. Here I have the 1 and 3, I am giving 13. We can give anything. Why I am giving 13 means router R1 I am using, and the below is 3, so I am saying 13. So I will give this. Same thing here, I will give .1, 13.1 for this side and 13.2 for this side. And this side I am using what IP 192.168. This router number I am taking 2 here and 4 here, so I am giving 24.0/24. We can use anything, but this is simple for understanding purpose, so I am using this one only. And here same thing, you will have here .1 we will give here, and here we will give .2. Okay, so this one we done here. And after that, if you need any loopback, we can click and we can write like this. So we can say I have 2 loopback here. So here I will write like, I can say loopback 0, and we can give any IP. Example, I can give 3.3.3.3/8. We can give our wish. Here I will give loopback 0, and then I will write here 4.4.4.4/8. So now we need to do the configuration. So we can take the notepad and we can do here. So here I will start the configuration. So configuration will be simple here. I will write here like R1 configuration, enable config T host name R1, and then interface F0/0, and then I will write IP address. I am doing for this interface F0/0. I will write here 192.168.12.1. Give space 255.255.255.0. I will write no shut here. Then interface F0/1 here, and I will write IP address 192.168.13.1. 13.1. Give space 255.255.255.0, and write no shut. So just I assign the IP address. After that I will write router OSPF 1, then interface F0/0. I am using the interface method, and also I can put here like this something, some color, so we can say which one is in which area. I can say this will be the in area 0, and here I can take different color. We can say this will be in the area 1, and I can take the different color. I can say this will be in the area 2. Okay, so we will have the different area as we are saying multiple area. So I will write down here, this is area 0, and this one is in area 1, and this one is in area 2. Area 2 I am writing, and same thing if you want you can put the same thing here also. This is also in the same area. Here color should be this yellow, I can select. Okay, this will be the area 0, and here color will be this one. I can say this is also, this one is in area 1, this is in area 0. Okay, so like this I put here. So now we need area 2, this one is area 2, same color, same area. So area 2, this one area 2, this is area 1, this is area 0. Clear, right? And OSPF, we are writing router OSPF1, then I will go interface F0 by 0, I will write IP OSPF1 area 0 because that interface is in area 0. After that I will write here interface F0 by 1, then I will write here IP OSPF1 area 1. I need to give area 1. So this is the R1 configuration. In R1 we have this much only. So I can copy and paste this in the R1. So let me copy and go here. Inside this one I can paste the configuration. I will write no here and then I will paste here. Okay, so here everything is good. We pasted here and then we will go to the here. I will paste here to modify. We will modify the configuration. I will say this is the R2 and this is also R2, and this interface we can say 12.2, and this interface we have F0 by 1. This is 24. So this will be 24.1. okay, and here you have router OSPF1 and you can say interface F0 by 0, IP OSPF1 area 0. So this remains same here, and here if you see this side what you have interface F0 by 1, this one IP OSPF1 area. What is the area here? Here you have 2. So this is R2 configuration. Simple, right? So just I will copy this and I will go here and I will paste this configuration inside this, and I can paste here. Okay, so this one is also done. After that we need to write the area 3. Sorry, not area 3, router 3. So I will write here router 3 and then I will write here configuration enable config t host name R3. Then I will write interface F0 by 0. I will write here IP OSPF. Before that we need to assign IP. So I will write IP address. What IP we have? 192.168.13. This one I am saying here. If you see this 13.2. Yes, 13.2, right? This side. Okay. So this one is that one, and we write no shut, and we have one loopback interface here. So we write interface loopback 0 IP address. I will write here 3.3. Sorry. Add IP address. We write here 3.3.3.3. Give space 255.0.0.0. Okay. What else we have here? Router OSPF1 and then interface F0 by 0 IP OSPF area 1. Then same thing, loopback 0 also is having area 1 only. So this is R3. Anything I miss here, check. So this is good, it look good, no changes we have. So we can copy this and I can give here, go here, I will write no, and then I will paste here and see here everything is good, no error. Now we can write for R4 configuration. We need to do R2 we done, so now R4. So R4 I can divide this notepad and I will paste here. So I will give this R4, this is R4, and check here F0 by 0 24, this will be 24.2, and loopback you have here 4.4.4.4, and here if you see router OSPF1, this area 2, this is area 2. So this one is good. We can copy and we can go here and we can paste here. So let me paste here. So I pasted. After that we need to wait for some time. It will take some time to have the neighborship. So after that I can write IP route and we can check the routing table. Still nothing is showing here. IP route again I am writing. Nothing is showing. I will write again. Yeah, see here neighborship form there. We have this notification like they move from loading to full. So now they become the neighbor. So I can write show IP route and you can see now I am getting the route. So whenever you have OIA, OIA means inter area. Inter means different area. O means OSPF. O, here you have O. O means OSPF. IA means inter area. Inter means different area. So here if anyone want to go to this network, they need to go to forward, they need to forward the traffic here. And OIA means this route is coming from different area, this one. Now you are in R4, you can try to ping 3.3.3 and check it is working or not. If you have route means it should ping, because you are getting here 3 dots. So it is working. Now you need to go to this router and check this router is ABR or not, because we told a router which is connecting the two different area is known as ABR. So you can write show IP protocol and check here. Protocol router ID you can see, but you can write show IP OSPF and press, and you can see here it is a area border router. It is a area border router. So what we can say, this router is a area border router, this one. A router which is connecting the two different area 0 to any other area, that router is known as area border router. So that's why we are getting here. Same thing, this router is also area border router, because this router is connecting the area 0 to area 1. So we can go here and we can check here also. How we can check? We can write show IP OSPF and check here. You have here it is an area border router. Okay, it is an area border router. So this is good, this one is good, and this is a multi-area lab, and if you ping from here also it will work. And if you write show IP route, this is a routing table you are getting. If you want to check show IP OSPF neighbor, you can see this is a neighbor table. If you want to check the database table, you can check this is a database table. Show IP OSPF database, this is the router ID we have. This is the router LSA, this is the network LSA, this is the summary LSA. This one we are calling as a database table. And now if you want to ping, you can ping 4.4.4.4, it will work. So it is working perfectly. So this one is the multi-area lab. I can write here multi-area lab. But imagine